Hey everyone, it's Andrew. Welcome back. Excited to have you to cook another amazing meal with me today. Cupcake, she's coming over. She wants to be in the shot again. I don't know. Come on through, girl. Here she is. I'm not going to touch her because I've washed my hands like 10 times now because I keep touching everything. Baby girl, cupcake, sit. Good girl. We are making spicy spinach and kale tacos. I'm gonna use a lot of spinach. It's gonna look insane, but it's gonna cook down so much. It's like a pulled pork taco. All veggies, peppers, onions, garlic, jalapeno, spinach, kale. We got it all. I'm gonna take a sip of my coffee and let's get into it. This is so easy, I cannot tell you enough. This is the easiest thing you will ever cook, and it tastes amazing. First things first, spinach. Baby spinach, I like what is this? It's baby spinach. Cooks down very easily, and it's like $4.99 for this entire package. Kale, and it's gonna cook down so much as well. We've got Poblano Peppers, onions, garlic, and jalapeños. I live for tacos, nachos, any kind of Mexican style food. We didn't have any meat. We had some peppers laying around. We had some spinach. I was like, I'm just gonna figure this out. Took this trusty pan, threw it all together, and made this amazing dish. So right now, here's where I started. My oven is preheating to 375. While that's preheating, you might hear the beep in the background. I haven't been paying attention, so I don't know if it's fully preheated yet. We'll find out. I'm gonna cut everything down, toss it all into the pan. We're gonna let it sit in the oven. Do I wanna explain like Poblano Peppers? Hey Siri, oh, is that gonna mess us up?
Yeah. Here's what I found.
Step over here to the pan that you're going to use. I like to use a pan that is a little bit deeper, just so I can move it around. And we are going to use the entire package of spinach. This is 10 ounces. And for us, this makes about 12 tacos. We don't eat all 12 in one sitting. Sometimes we do, depending on what's happening. But that's neither here nor there. Entire bag of kale. Drop it in. And you'll see me bending down again. I love a good brown paper bag at my feet. Can drop all of my garbage into it. I hate a mess. Can't stand it. Kale in there, spinach in there. Some oil on top. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You can use whatever oil you have on hand. I've used coconut oil, any type of oil that you have, really. First, into the pan, peppers. Baby girl, sit. Sit. You can stay here. You just gotta sit. I look scary with the knife, telling her to sit. Stay. I want to use as much of the pepper as possible. I don't like anything to go to waste either, and why not? You bought it. And I like to cut these in circular rounds. Pepper's done. Take them. Sprinkle them over top. This is so easy, like I said before. Just a few chops, one big pan, and everyone's happy. Oh, the mess. Oh my god, oh my god. We've got some definitely different sizes and onions here. If you have some small ones, I would recommend using 2. If you have a large, big one like this, bigger is always better. Do you want me to try and juggle?
Sure.
Remember when I learned?
Yes.
Okay, how did I do it? I think I have to start in the opposite way.
It's a really big.
It's a really big onion. Oh! If anyone wants to teach me how to juggle, I'm open to it. When cutting an onion, I would recommend putting it into the refrigerator for just about an hour before you're going to use it. I did not put this in the refrigerator beforehand, so if I start crying, I'm not emotional because we're locked up in quarantine. It's okay. So as I'm chopping here, what I'm going for is half moons. I don't want to dice it. I want it to be, like I said before, that like pulled pork consistency. Half moons are really great for that. They will add to the texture of the taco. Onions, scoop them up, drop them in. I know this looks like a lot of food. It is and it isn't. Jalapeños. I should be wearing gloves because I didn't cry for the onions, but I'll probably touch my eyes and cry from this. So if you have gloves at home, great. If not, don't worry about it. And I'm cutting them into rounds. The heat is in the seeds, so I am going to use a different tool to pick these up. I don't want to hurt myself or end up crying in front of all of you. Let's save that for another time. Easy. Ooh. Oh my god. See, that brown bag comes in handy. Last but certainly not least is garlic. Okay, so I'm struggling. Thank God I'm working out after this because I can't even peel garlic from its container. I don't know what this is. Like, garlic. Push down, crack it open, peel it off. I wouldn't use a whole clove of garlic for this. Depends on how much you want. I would say 3 or 4 cloves, depending on your personal preference. I'm gonna go for 4. I'm gonna take it over to our large pan and sprinkle it on. I love spicy tacos, so we are adding chili flakes, cayenne, salt, black pepper, cardamom. This may be controversial, but I'm adding cinnamon. Breaks the flavor. And do I want to add anything else? Hold on. I feel like there's something else I want in here. Ah! Mexican style adobo. Let's start with that. I don't know how I forgot this. I'm not going to measure these out. For me, I go as I feel it. About a palm full. Put on top. Cinnamon. I think that was like 15. Cardamom. I love this. I would say for the cardamom, put half as much as you did with the cinnamon. We're adding a ton of spice here, so again, do what you feel. I'm gonna put 3 or 4 in here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. These chilies, they're red and black chili flakes. Oh my god, who do I show this to? You, and look at them. Oh my god, they look beautiful in here too. About a palmful. I'm actually gonna do 2. Shh, don't tell anybody. Do what you feel. Some salt. We have been watching. Oh! Oh my god. Okay, so that's a perfect point. We've been watching a lot of cooking videos. I've noticed that people are adding just so much salt, but we are just gonna do about a palmful of salt. You haven't added any salt to this as well. That was almost really bad. Cayenne. Using like 2 to 3 pinches of this. 1, 2. Okay, we're doing 3. Black pepper. That's it. I'm going to pour a tiny bit more oil over the top just so my spices don't burn in the oven, that they actually cook and cook into everything. Put it into a 375 degree oven for 15 minutes. You're gonna check it twice. The reason why you wanna check it is because you wanna mix all of this up as well and get all of it incorporated together. I'm gonna check it probably 5-6 minutes in, mix it all up, and then put it back in and let it all come together. Woo! She is hot. I want to show you my cast iron skillet and grill pan. I have cooked a lot of different things on here. Pancakes, grilled meat, but today we are going to be cooking our corn tortillas on here. The reason why I love cast iron is it also holds a ton of heat. I'm gonna get this hot. While that's heating up, I'm gonna put everything away, get cleaned up, and get ready to plate. What am I doing? Okay, hold on. Grab a towel, whichever kind you want, and a plate. The reason why you're grabbing this is to put your tortillas on them and wrap them so they stay warm. Let's do 3 to start with. I'm gonna take my olive oil, put it on the pan. Whoa! You can hear it. Ooh. Just dropping these 3 on. The recipe that we're cooking makes 12 tacos, and you can even do taco bowls, add it however you like. I like it with a taco bowl because I'm trying to watch my weight. I'm in my workout gear right now, so right after this I'm working out. Oh, while that's cooking, queso. I said I was watching my weight, but it doesn't matter because you can't have a taco without queso. Oh, and these are cooking up really fast. It looks so good. 1 to 2 minutes per side. Let's cut open our queso, crumble it up a little bit. It's not working like I planned. Okay, so this is still not working like I planned. So that was the struggle. It's open, whatever. Keep your eyes on this, depending on how fast they go. These beautiful little chars on them, and we want to keep them still pliable and soft. Put them into the towel, wrap them up. I want a cute bowl for this. Queso, quick chop, break it up. The one thing that I have to say about my cooking that's different from everyone else's, it's not about the cooking. I make these recipes beforehand, but sometimes in the moment, just like, doesn't work for me. And I clean as I go. I hate a mess. We are about 5 to 6 minutes in. Oh yeah, it's definitely ready for me to move it around a little bit. Now at this point, just take it out real quick, mix it up. The kale and spinach has already reduced so much. This is going to go to that pulled pork consistency, except it's all veggies. It's been about 10 more minutes. We are going to check it one more time. Just grab one of my favorite plates, and I really just love the blue and the painted, and you can see it's like actually painted on. Check number 2. Woo! Oh my god, my eyebrows. I'm gonna spread it out, just make sure I have an even layer. I'm really happy with where it is, but there's like one pepper I probably could have cut a little bit smaller. If you don't like eating vegetables and greens, I mean, I am not a huge fan of it, but this is a really great way for me to get all of my vegetables in one sitting in one meal and really feel good about what I'm eating. This is gonna go in for about another minute or so. We've passed the 15-minute mark, but I'm doing what I feel. feel like it needs to go for one more minute. I'm just gonna count to 90. So, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
You are?
Yeah.
You're filming me walk back and forth? Since I've been being filmed this entire time, we are going to pull it out of the oven. We're pulling it out. Careful, it's gonna be hot. Woo. Oh. It looks beautiful. Tortillas. Putting a generous helping of all of this beautiful goodness on here. Tacos are done. We've got our spicy spinach and kale taco. There we go. I pickled peppers and onions, and they've been in the fridge, so a little bit of these to it. Oh, I dropped some carrots in there too, and there's garlic in here. Oh, that's gonna be a good pickled onion. I also pickled some cabbage, like spicy and garlicky. It is super spicy now. Valentina Sasso Picante. She had it right. Add a tiny bit of this. I've added so much. Woo! Oh my god. Last, but certainly not least, is our queso. And I'm going to take this and crumble a little bit on top. Ooh, it's going everywhere. So cute. So good. I have a little bit of cilantro in the kitchen, and I feel like it just needs a little fresh greenness on here. So I just pulled a few pieces off, rip it up, drop it on. There you have it. These are my spicy spinach and kale tacos. Love, love, love these. I hope you love them as much as I have. And I am not about to eat this because I'm gonna go work out. Here it is for my husband. Okay, I get it. You want it.